Good morning, everybody. Now I'm going to start the audio test. For every word, I will repeat twice. Okay, so listen carefully. And you may play the video as many as you like. But don't forget to click the right answer and submit the test. Okay, let's start. Number 1. Farmer. Farmer. Number 2. Businesswoman. Businesswoman. Number 3. Artist. Artist. Number 4. Engineer. Engineer. Number 5. Mechanic. Mechanic. Number 6. 2/9. 2/9. Number 7. 2/3. 2/3. Number 8. 5/10. 5/10. Number 9. 1/8. 1/8. Number 10, the last number. 4/7. 4/7. Thank you and good luck.